Alrighty, fourth and final shirt for the day. It's hot out here, people. We're dying out here. It's so hot, but we're getting it done. So, fourth and final, last shirt. Another medium. What's this one gonna be?
Baby blue, blue violet, Cayman green.
Baby blue, blue violet, and cameo.
Look out of the water.
Yeah, Cayman Isle green. So an assortment of blue tones.
Yes.
Blue greens, whatever you want to call them. And another classic spiral, 6-window spiral.
Yeah, that's probably what we're gonna go for.
The last one was a reverse. It's a standard spiral, 6-window. We're close to it. The babes is banding. Fighting an overheating GoPro out here, trying to band these up, twist them up, dye them up.
And two overheating people.
Yeah, overheating people, overheating GoPro. It's brutal out here in the Bama sun, folks. Alrighty.
So we'll start with Cayman Isle green.
A nice deep tone that is. Cayman Isle green. And yes, we know it looks blue on camera. It kind of looks blue in real life. It's just the name of it.
We don't name them.
Yeah. We didn't make the dyes. We just poured them on a shirt.
Okay, and then we'll do some baby blue next.
Baby blue. It's definitely blue.
A very beautiful light shade. Remember, you always kind of want to go back over your last color and get a good gradient.
Yep. The gradient is what that's, I guess you would consider that like the mixing of the two colors, the transition of the two. That's what we're referring to when we say a good gradient. You want the transition between the two colors to be very smooth and fluid-like. You don't want there to be any noticeable differences, any lines. You want it to be a transition. That's what makes them look so cool. Keep in mind, you know, when you're dyeing the shirt and it's spiraled up like this, this is literally the entire shirt. So what you do goes across the entire shirt. Straight line here goes from corner to corner if you go all the way across.
I'm going to try to leave a little bit of white in there. See how that works out.
I think it will. I think you can leave a little patch. Do the flop. On the other side. Quick and easy. This is another 3-color, easy to do at home. If you're not into the more colorful, if you don't want a rainbow, anything that loud, so to speak, this is a good deep tone tie-dye. One for the boys, I guess you could say.
Or anybody that likes blue.
Yep, or anyone that likes blue. Doesn't have to be for a boy. But we know sometimes young boys in particular don't want to wear pink or rainbow, so we've got something for them too.
The blue violet is so dark, I try not to let it overpower.
Yeah, because it'll even run over the Cayman.
Yeah. It's easy to let that one get out of hand, so.
gonna drop a dye on me. How did that happen?
Alright.
To the extended stay.
Let me get the top.
To the dry end rack. There we go. Got our drip tub. Second level. And there she'll sit for 24 hours until we can wash it out. So I guess this is the end, folks. Alright, folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.